If you're looking for wall clocks for girls' bedroom, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 wall clocks for girls' bedroom. Number 1, most popular, by Hito. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Handmade Solutions EU. Number 3, by Hito. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Sugar Vine Art. Number 5, by Key Store. Find these wall clocks for girls' bedroom at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Hito. Number 7, by Mabel's Clock. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Sa. Number 9, by Hito. Discover more wall clocks for girls' bedroom ideas and items to explore. Click the info circle. Number 10, by Moon.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.